Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we are going to learn how to move funds from your Uber Pro card to a different debit card. If you haven't already signed up as an Uber driver yet, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and become an Uber driver. We will also put links in the description below for similar gig platforms for you to sign up and earn money. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is open, you will see an option for Move Funds. Tap on Move Funds. On the pop-up window, select how you'd like to move funds. Tap on Debit Card. Now, enter the amount you wish to move. Then tap on Continue. Lastly, review the transaction. If everything looks good, swipe up to submit. That's how you move funds from your Uber Pro card to a different debit card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.